Do you guys know your numbers? Really good?
Daddy, can I have some ketchup?
I call.
Maybe gravy
so
with French fries.
Oh, you don't like it? It's sour.
Hi, Marcus.
I smell it.
It's bad? Why?
Come on.
I like the
Oh,
real
chicken's
one.
good.
That is brown.
The gravy's hot.
That's not the real. The real one is brown.
Ketchup.
That's the cheese one.
Oh, that's a lot of gravy.
Yeah.
Marcus, are you happy?
Large.
Like, this is like a massive amount of gravy we just had.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
How are we
Yeah.
ever gonna waste it?
I don't
It
know.
takes like a miles to waste it.
Daddy, is this
I don't
our
want
first
pork.
time to have a KFC at home?
I think so.
KFC.
Oh yeah, but it's Marcus and Tristan's request to have a KFC for dinner, right?
It's
Can
my
you
favorite
get the
dinner.
glass? Daddy, can you get the glass?
Hi, Mr. Painter.
Hi.
Are they good?
They should be. Hi, Mr. Painter.
Hi, Mama.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm gonna splatter all this paint on
Painting the
here.
car? What about you? Oh, yeah.
So actually this is 5-6 years old puzzles.
Mm-hmm.
Go for it.
Oh, they look awesome.
So
Okay.
they go left number 1, right number 1. Do you guys know your numbers? Really good?
Marcus?
Where is your left?
How much are they?
So the smaller one is 12.
Okay.
The larger one is 15.
Okay.
Now, I have something good for like adults.
Oh.
If they like small stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So those one are nanos.
Come on, come on, come on.
Come here. Have you seen a small dino before?
Look at that. Oh, Tristan loves dino. Tristan, come on.
Do you know your
The
name?
one that eat the pancake.
Do you know the names of the dino?
No.
No.
Some you know. Go check.
Hmm.
You know.
How about
Go check.
this one? Do you know what this is? Let's see.
I think you know that one, Tristan.
Or maybe this one.
Those are the nanos one. Oh.
See, you know them. Let's see. How about the long neck?
I don't know that one.
You don't know that one? Brachiosaurus.
Yeah.
So that is a Brachiosaurus.
Oh.
Now,
Cool.
do you know?
My favorite is this one.
That one there?
My
Marcus, which one is your favorite?
My favorite is...
You always draw that one, right?
Yeah, my favorite is the black one.
Oh.
It's the black one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Right there.
Check, Mom.
It's heavy. Oh. Oh, oh my. Oh, gee. Oh, it opens, so I see. Well, I'll look at this first. Oh, look. Happy birthday. Isn't that cute? Oh, happy 80th. You are extra special to me and to my family. We wish you as well as Whiskers, and may the Lord comfort and strengthen you. Oh, that's really nice. Thank you so much.
Love you, Mama.
Well, I love you too. Well, should I?
Yeah, you can rip it.
Oh. Those are cats.
What's in there? Those are cats hugging.
Aren't they cute?
Marcus and Tristan.
That's sweet. That's very sweet of them.
I want you to take a look on your gift.
Oh my.
That one there.
Oh, furry.
Isn't that cute? I've seen that. And
Are they socks?
Yeah.
Oh, aren't they cute?
Yeah, one for you and one for Whiskers. Because I haven't seen anything Whiskers, so I said maybe. But, you know.
Look, Whiskers. Look at my socks. They're sweet. Furry friend. Oh, yes. Look at those, Whisk. Thank you so much.
Oh.
What else have you got?
Those are...
Oh.
Those are... I think those are one of the great flavor of Lindor. So I thought...
Ruth Brown will be jealous because she loves these and she often brings me one. So I know she eats them too. So that's lovely. Now where are you going? Oh, you're going over there. Oh, okay. Those are so funny.
I just found it so cute. I wonder what's inside.
Yes, I don't know.
I think of that because I know he is a big part of you.
Yes.
And I hope you will like it and he will like it too.
Oh. Oh, it's one of those scratch. Oh, well, he'll be interested in that, won't he? Well, it's both.
Yeah.
Well, I think we ought to open it up and put it down.
Yeah, we'll see how. Yeah, we'll see how it works. You think he's gonna be interested with that, Mama?
We'll just have to see.
I have to look for something that that I never seen. I said I wanted to see. I wanted you to celebrate because I said that you have everything. You have everything, and today he is this special to you. So I'm thinking of something special that, like, you know, Whiskers would be there. Hey, Whiskers.
No, he's interested.
That's for you and Mama. If you're happy with that, Mama is gonna be happy. Aren't they cute? Well, some cat owners, they really like to dress up their cats too, and they would put this.
Huh. You think I dare get a pup? Yeah, you can show the picture to the boys.
Yeah, you got it. The boys knows about this.
That's what I mean. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna show this to Marcus and Tristan. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to get the latest update on my channel. See you soon.